Hello and welcome. Continuing with our sill repair, I had to replace the inner sill strengthener lower rear section. I ran a string the length of the car to get a straight edge for the bottom of the sill. Then I repaired the chassis section and made a proper jacking point. The sill joint is 3 sections spot welded together, making a lovely nest for rust. I needed to remake the lower floor edge angle. I sheared the metal straight and then folded 2 90-degree angles to match the original. The wider section will weld to the inner bottom metalwork. That's the section welded on. I need to make that piece now. I keep all the old bits to use as patterns, so I can mark it out and cut that new panel to shape. I trimmed the bottom to size and stamped out the holes for the spot welding. I welded the section in. With the puddle welds cleaned, I sprayed it all with weld-through primer, ready for the outside sill fitment, which will be next up. So we'll see you soon, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.